Hello everyone, today let's talk about rear wheel oil seal. This product made of rubber and metal, and the color is black and this is copy. This product is applicable to Volvo heavy truck and the size is internal diameter is 168 and the external diameter is 188 and 190, and the center is 30 and 32. This product has many following features. The first one is with longer service life and good abrasion resistance, high temperature resistance, and oil leakage prevention, good structure, aging resistance, and mud and water resistance. This is applicable to mechanical engineering and the equipment processing industry, and it is a rear wheel oil seal applicable to Volvo. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.